You guys know Josh?
Yeah.
What kind of car do you drive?
1990 Nissan 240 SX.
Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding up front bumper. As it says on his windshield, ding! Uh-oh.
When was the last time your car was running?
Can't even remember.
I wish all manufacturers would come out with something like this. The ultimate Bible wiring diagram. Pages and pages. And what I like, ECU pinout. Right here. We figured out this guy's airflow meter. He had the signal and the power backwards. Oh, we also had to fix the spark plug wires because his connectors weren't making contact inside the cap. Back in my day, we didn't have Google. You could not simply go on the internet and find your answer. And if you did, it would be on the forum. And people on the forums would tell you to use the search function because you're starting a topic that has been discussed before. Over and over and over. But before the forums, right, people actually use these factory service manuals. Here, troubleshooting the brake system. Hard brake pedal. Here are the causes. Dragging brakes. Vehicle moves to one side. Wow, Josh is still fixing this. I gotta unload this car from the track day still. Fresh plugs. Alright, so here's his plugs. They're all black and salty. We're gonna do a quick compression test just to make sure this car is not too shitty. Stop. Okay, you're about 100. Stop. Yeah, 100. Okay. 100. This one's like 115. Okay, put your plugs back in. Alright, you kids know what this is? This is for Nintendo, for Duck Hunt. Look who just got here. I'm only one dude and I can only fix one shitty car at a time, right? So let me finish this shitty car before I work on this shitty car.
Wait, like Josh doesn't even drive, so why even bother?
Because this car is pretty shitty. Trying to go down. Okay, so right there. Alright, so that's our top dead. Here, look where this is pointing to. You're off a tooth. Take out your distributor. Chick-fil-A.
Ice coffee from Chick-fil-A is the best.
I've only had Chick-fil-A
Don't
like
tell me that.
twice or 3 times in my life.
It's like the best breakfast ever.
That's a large claim to make. Well, where do you go on Sundays?
It's the best. I know, that's the only place I can't go on Sundays.
That's the only time I want Chick-fil-A.
It's true.
I only want Chick-fil-A on Sundays. So there's a little gear here, so he's probably off. So what we're gonna do is reinsert this and make sure he has enough adjustment to advance or it's hard. So I'm gonna hold this down the best I can and insert it as straight as I can. Okay, we're pointing to 1. The holes in the center we can advance and retard. Alright, so haven't made content because I've been working 16-hour shifts. And what I don't understand is how some of these people drive nicer cars than me and have nicer wheels and like have all this stuff, but I know they don't make as much money. Credit cards, right? I don't know. What do you guys think?
I think credit cards.
I mean,
I've heard people say,
it doesn't make sense to me, right?
or that I've heard a lot of people owe a lot of people money too.
Okay, hold on. You guys know me, my day job is a respiratory therapist, but I also have a stethoscope for engines. Okay, start this thing up. I'm gonna make sure his injectors are clicking. Injector 1 is not clicking. No clicking. Yes, clicking. Yes, clicking. Clicking. I'm gonna say this guy's running on 3 cylinders. But if you look at the wiring for his injector number 1, it looks like doo-doo. Look at this. Look, it's not even making a difference. Oh look, I have a nice pigtail. And then I have another pigtail here.
It's not hot enough, is it?
So, fun fact, as a child, I learned to solder messing around with RC cars, speed controllers, and batteries. And I used to like the smell of solder, but then
Put the soldering iron underneath.
I found out it was toxic. So Josh switched out one connector, and it's idling decent. It revs up and there's no vacuum leaks and a bunch of other stuff. So now he's gonna test drive it. Hopefully we're good. What are your thoughts on this car?
I had offered him $1,000. I changed my mind. Sorry, Josh.
My thoughts? I have a new segment. It's called Shitty Car of the Week. This is the Shitty Car of the Week. So I don't even remember the last time I was in this car. Now we're back to the misfiring. I'm gonna blame the injector. I'm gonna say injector plugs. We didn't fix anything. We didn't fix anything.